125 Amendment of Indian Constitution along kachetong ponateng pen inglong asomati tribal asotum jasimet Assam Meghalaya Tripura lapen Mizoram along kidotum amithanga kekacherai komjia phansi amithang mithang ajakong mati arait pathik ponlo lasoteng pen 125 Amendment of Indian Constitution abang nang pachun pivek nang Tripura kedamtang jakong ni pai inkora pho arni New Delhi rong sopi Parliament along Union Minister Amith Sha phan amithanga sai hemalong chetong damsi chingki jethan pon Bangso kachetong dam ahut Assam pen danglok nihang nirep angkang kedoan kadoka be palong kep Autonomous Council akijatum chetodunsi ningi si bet pen kehang padodam. Kachetong dun palong kep Autonomous Council atum sutami mithang adimalong akimanga sondo. Lesi bangso sondo ansatami chethandun rintisi bangso 125 Amendment kepachun ponbekjia phansi chingki chethan ponlo. Kedamtanga porahut Union Sorkar State Sorkar lapen Karbianglong arata tuma farman phongni an MOS setok pontanglo lesi bangso MOS kachetok ahut kejong pon isi pen langpon ra kedo anta mate MOS along kejong pon do ansatami prabjin pen kepachun ponjia phansi chingki chethan pon lo pusi MLA Dorsing rong hanglapen MP Amar Singh Tiso pen ningje pon
Dilhi rong supilong Union Home Minister Amith Sha along kachetong damsi Assam lapen Northeast along itu Autonomous Council CAP CEM dan parte Tripura Aricho Roduji along ditang etong duno lapen de di Mahasa Umen duno lapen de Borolen duno lapen de Kasi Jondia Garu dan Lai Mara itu we CEM tuman pen setong si non kibangi Marot labangso Constitution Indeng karu isra ingko irapho labangso amendment along iltung kedamtang Karbianglong MOS ini 2021 lapen 2011 lah ini MOS andeng tinta pende partiku kepin pen itu kewe aphan panggup pondok pen labangso asai kiteng bodi phamsi iltung singwa jithan namlo dan non party la along tira council tun tawi mithang labangso alam ason kedoan tandelang tun sepaklang no lapen la indeng harui sira ingora pho labangso amendment along la cap Autonomous Council tumai sudo anta pepleng kon app di pan bangsi cendeng di pondo dan partai lam cak cipilo lapen delang litung ning ceklo jonang bong alang litung ing siring cak pompen litung kepaklang pon alam doan lapen de MOS ini kawane angton pen gedeng pompen pacun poni bangsi di lam cak cipilo
nilitong la election ISU 125th amendment labang solam katwa we election sa dai pono lapengga labang so bange bill number 2019 Rajya Sabha long introduce ato la se non Lok Sabha long introduce dia aphan la mane la chikloyon angong si ajak mane kili damde kepleng damde pot am sidame pot mane chingki wai ko MOS 2011 lapengga MOS 2021 6 organization 6 million group and kachetong kapot am sidame pusot chingwai pun tubuh bangsi Home Minister abang ilit nilidumhan nang pangnak kono lapen chiklo yon ang bongsi la a problem kedoan sidame pacun oner nang si lamcak nang chipidon
Union Sorkar pulote Congress kalite BJP asong atung pensi lamdon kachetok tahaipo setame kachetok abangke India Sorkar pensi lamdon kachetok lo potsi bangso lamdon aphan man piponra kapachun pon begjia phansi chingbai ponlo lapen 125 amendment along abangke inglonga so atum amithang ajakong pen mithanga khe kacherai komjia phandu lapen kapachun ponjia phansi chingki chingbai ponlo pusi Tipra Motha Party Pratyot Bikram Manikya de Burma pending Japan.
We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the government of India on any accord, any agreement will be honoured because that is not agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister, and we are hopeful because councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Jaite Hills, it may mean something for Indian, it may mean something for Karbi Anglong, it may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community, and if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner. Thank you.
Union Minister Amith Sha phan kachetong dam ahut MP Amar Singh Tiso, MLA Dor Singh Ronghang, EM Ritesh Ingpi, BTC Achif, Promote Boroatum, Chetong Din Rinki. News Report KTB News.